Welcome to day 71. Let's return to an old friend. Carrbridge Village Hall, with a sign saying home of the World Porridge Making Championship. Welcome to day 71 of running for 100 days. And welcome back to an old friend. Welcome to Carrbridge. It's very warm today. So welcome to Tuesday. Welcome to the 12th of August 2025. When I finished work at 2 o'clock today, it was 28 degrees in my car. I'm really happy that the weather has got a little bit better, just as the little ones think about going back to school. Car Plantation Trail, or Carrbridge via Railway Wood Walk. I think I might go that way. What's round here? Or this way. Railway Wood Walk. Let's go left. So I'm just following the path. On my right hand side is Landmark Adventure Park. On my left hand side we have the railway, and a little bit further along is the A9. So the last time that I was in Carrbridge, it was on day 2. Day 1, I'd kind of thought of an idea, walk along Grattan-on-Spey on the old railway path. So on day 2, I thought to myself, am I really going back out a second day? And I did. And I couldn't think of anything better than return to my running home of Carrbridge. It's hard to imagine how I felt on day 2. I think the video I made was probably 4 minutes long. Me just thinking, okay, I've kind of told you everything on day 1. I've nothing really to say. How wrong was I? So we fast forward 6 to 9 days later. I think I uploaded the Carrbridge one on the 4th of June. So we're now on day 71. As we draw to a close the 100 days of running, I thought, why not revisit an old friend? There's a red light, so I thought I'd stop. Turns out, it's just for the railway track. So day 71, carry on please. So this is Carrbridge. This is the place where I trained for my first marathon. Such a small village, and somehow I managed to carve out a 26-mile running route up and down streets, along behind Landmark, up to the railway station, and I found some beautiful places. And I've always enjoyed running in Carrbridge. This will be the last time I run in Carrbridge during the 100 days of running. But I thought, it's just nice to be back. "71 days, never been lost yet." This way, pick that bit out. It was in Carrbridge that I said out loud my love for the television show, The $6 Million Man. And how I thought to myself, maybe I am the $6 million man. Now obviously, some time has passed since then. I've reflected on what I said. I still stand by it. I am the $6 million man. So how did I do it? How did I park my car in Carrbridge Main Street, run behind Landmark, follow a path that doesn't seem to go anywhere, not get lost? I think the train station is just here. When you've had a long day and you go for a run and you think to yourself, should I keep running? I'm not too sure. Just give me a sign. Okay, I will. I was in there somewhere, not being lost, but we can cut those bits out. Carrbridge and the Caledonian Sleeper. I was just thinking, wouldn't it be nice if a train passed just now? Ta-da! Riverside walk. Let's follow this path. I just wanted to stop for a little minute and show you this. How fabulous is that? It's been a lovely day to be out. It's nice to be back in Carrbridge again. It's hard to imagine that on day 2 to day 71, all those days have passed, all those adventures we've had together. It's been really good. Thanks for following along. Yeah, it's hard to imagine that was here on day 2, and I could have thought of a better place to genuinely start. And here we are again on day 71. It's been some adventure. Yep, Carrbridge, fantastic place. A place where I've carved out so many miles. I've found bridges. I've found squinty bridges. I've found toilets, railways, paths that led nowhere. Fantastic. It's just been over 4k. I think it's about 20 to 5 at night. But I've really enjoyed today. Nothing special ever happens But as I've always said, being ordinary is wonderful. We have a horse and we have a goat. I shall call him Billy. Carrbridge kitchen and ice cream for dogs. So that's 5k done, just running around Carrbridge. Day 71 is over and my time visiting Carrbridge over the 100 days is done. It was great to revisit Carrbridge, day 2, day 71. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.